Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Candyland board game. To begin, the goal is simple. Be the first player to reach King Candy's castle at the end of the rainbow path. First, place all the character pawns at the starting square. Next, shuffle the deck of colorful cards very well. Each player then selects one pawn to represent them on their sweet journey. This game is perfect for 2 to 4 players, making it a delightful family activity. Taking your turn in Candyland is straightforward and fun. Each player draws one card from the top of the shuffled deck. If you draw a single color card, you move your pawn to the very next square of that specific color. If you draw a double color card, you get to move your pawn to the second square of that color. Character cards allow you to jump directly to that character's special location on the board, which can be a big advantage. Candyland features some exciting special spaces and cards that add to the game's charm. When you draw a character card, you immediately move your pawn to that character's designated spot on the board, potentially skipping many squares. Be careful of the licorice spaces. Landing on one means you lose your very next turn. Most squares are simply colored path squares, offering a straightforward journey towards the castle. Winning Candyland is all about being the first to reach the magnificent King Candy's castle. The best part is, you do not need to land on the final square by an exact count. If your card allows you to move to or past the castle, you have won the game. It is a race to the finish, and the first player to arrive at the castle is crowned the winner of this delightful adventure. Enjoy your sweet victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.